To be whole, to be complete. Wildness reminds us what it means to be human, what we are connected to rather than what we are separate from. Terry Tempest Williams. Looking out over the lake, I felt enveloped in the most peaceful, loving utopia. Lori Kahn. Skip a stone, take a hike, sit a spell, listen, daydream, just breathe. This is lake living. Unknown. Smith Lake County Park consists of a 30-unit campground, sandy beach, pavilion, playground, picnic area, fishing pier, hiking trail, bathhouse, boat landing, and more. All sites have electric and are open all year, although the roads are not plowed during the winter. Campsites are $25 per night and cannot be reserved. There is ATV access to the Tuscobia State Trail, as well as an ATV loading and unloading ramp. Smith Lake County Park is located just 5 miles southwest of Park Falls if you need supplies. So, from what we saw of this park, we would give it a, yeah, probably. Okay, we got done with our chicken, and now we're going to explore the park a little bit. Looks like it might be a good place to put on our list to come camping. Smith Lake County Park in Park Falls, Wisconsin. Oh wow, the lake goes way over that way too. Holy moly. Didn't realize it was so big. Oh, you've got to love this rock. It looks like a big old easy chair. Cool. Wow, this lake just seems to go around everywhere. That looks like it. I guess that's a big island there. Wow, nice. And we're going to do a drive-through of the campground to see what that's like. And hopefully next weekend we'll be out camping again. Oh, Lord, I ate too much. A little playground. Pavilion is closed. Yeah, just go down. It looks like there's a sign of some sort down there. Go check it out.
Ah, really?
What?
Just came down here and ate.
Oh, talk about a perfect picnic spot.
Talk about a bitch.
Ah, wow.
Oh well, I might as well sit here and ponder.
This lake is really big. It goes way down around there. You can't even see the end of it. And here, I can't really see the end. Well, that could be the end of it down there.
Is that sandy there or rock?
It's sandy with some rocks. More sand than rocks.
Hey, somebody made this a fishing area or swimming area because they cut the branches off.
Oh, there's a one-lane bridge in the campground. That sounds cool. Oh, it's right here. A little creek running through there, is there?
Not much of a creek.
No.
Creek. That's about it. No creek.
There's the dump station.
Yeah.
Oh, how far away are the campsites?
Who knows anymore?
Trails all over.
There we go.
There we go.
16.
16.
Apparently you're allowed to see campsites.
Oh, that one's nice. Yeah, these people with the chair things.
Fish cleaning spots.
It's a nice spot there.
There's a lot of four-wheelers here.
Yeah.
Another chair out there.
Nice spot there. 24. Holy moly's.
Nice little spot.
Yeah, it is. What was that, 24 sites?
Yes.
I think that was the last number I saw. So yeah, pretty nice. Hey, we found some more campsites.
Not bad.
We got no tent, no camper. Oh, looks like it's way back there. Oh, these spots are just pull-throughs, huh?
You could tent too. I wouldn't tent that back in right there.
Yeah.
Because since we gotta disconnect our stuff to go somewhere. Nice little site.
Yeah. And it's a hybrid.
It's a real.
Nice site. So guys, this park looked like it was pretty nice. The lake was really pretty. There was fishing, swimming, hiking trails, ATV trails. The sites were nice and roomy. They could fit trailers probably up to about 40 feet. The only thing that might turn into a problem is there's no reservations and people like to put chairs and logs and whatever they can find in the campsites to try to save them for their buddies or whatever. Now, this is probably not a big deal for most people, but I just thought I would let you guys know so you can make the choice for yourselves if you would want to deal with something like that. If you haven't yet done so, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell. We'd love to have you join us on all our adventures. Thanks so much for your support, guys. See you next week.